Yeah, yeah, confuse me. Tell me why you they confuse me, oh baby. Your body too attractive, and the way I fall for you, it dey be like magic. Oh no, the way you did me, I go day, and I no go fit to come.
See, guys, even a pint of 150. Yesterday, my girlfriend told me that I should give her money so that she should go and buy pint.
Jesus, just a pint?
A pint.
How would women just turn their opposite of affection to men?
Jesus!
They see they vex me, eh?
My guy, that
Even when they menstruate, why would they not say they have been menstruated?
Child!
They see they vex me. If any girl do that thing to me, I will slap her.
Guy, that one.
Oh, just smart.
Hey, Sunny thanks.
Long time we never see. How are you?
I'm fine.
She what? That just say you say.
I said that I'm fine.
Child!
Guy, what did they happen now?
Guy, imagine that kind of. See how her face, they like monkey. She dey talk say she fine.